Hello everybody, this is the Ambitious Peasant and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to change the NATO strap of my Hamilton Khaki Field mechanical watch into a bracelet. So by default, this watch, as you know, comes with a NATO strap. The one that I got is a one with the army green colored strap with brown leather trimmings. It has several holes for the adjustments, and it's made of leather trimmings as well. I'm showing you the domed crystal of the watch. And what we have here is the buckle that has the Hamilton logo on it. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera. And this is how the back looks like. Let's put the watch on real quick and do some magic. Boom! Voila! You have the watch on my wrist, and this is how it looks like. It actually is a very pretty watch on the NATO strap. It really complements the look of the watch. But as you may have figured out by now, I'm a bracelet type of person, and I have here the actual Hamilton bracelet for this Khaki mechanical field watch. This is the serial number or model number. I'm not sure what it's called, but reference number. Yeah, if you want it for yourself, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, I have extra links here because the bracelet has been adjusted to the size of my wrist. So this is the bracelet that we will be using for the watch. Now to look closely, you have here a very matte finish, but it kind of has that shimmer on it, so it kind of reminds me of the Bulgari Octo Finissimo watch. And I don't know if you have noticed that this is not a 3-link bracelet, but instead it is a 4-link bracelet, almost close to a Jubilee bracelet, which has 5. So you have here the outer 2 links, and if you take a look closely at the center links, it is actually made up of 2 links that are close together. So this is a very comfortable bracelet when worn on the wrist. Let's try opening the clasp. And this is how it looks like from the inside when opened. And what's wonderful about this bracelet is that it has that diverse extension for quick adjustments. This is not a dive watch, but it has the diverse extension, so that's pretty weird but pretty cool at the same time. So now let's take this watch head off the NATO and let's get down to business. And with the magic of video again, you will notice that I put a soft material or a soft surface so that as we do this, we won't damage or scratch any part of the watch. Now what we have here is the watch tool set that I bought online. So it's not really a premium type of watch tool set, but I'm very happy that I got this. So I won't be using, home tools to do adjustments on my watch. And it's a little more secure and precise in terms of doing adjustments and all that. So for today, I think what we will be using is this tool. I'm not sure what it's called. Basically, it's just your typical adjustment tool with 2 heads. I don't know if you can see that head. There you go. So that's one with a fork head, and this one is with a pin head. I don't know if that's what it's called. just wanted to highlight that the bracelet came with solid end links, which are specialized because, as you already know, the lugs of the Khaki mechanical are longer than your contemporary watch. And you will see later how snug it will look on the watch. Very seamless and perfect. So we're done attaching the bracelet from both ends. Now it's time to close it and try the bracelet and the watch on. So now here's the watch on with a bracelet. It wears perfect, but as of late, I want my watches and bracelet to be a little more jingly jangly. So let's put and add some links to this. Links added, cleaned up the surface. Now the watch is ready. So this is the watch. And as I mentioned earlier, it has end links that fit perfectly and seamlessly. So there's no space there. The material is very consistent with the watch head. So it's a perfect fit and it's a well-balanced adjustment. So I'm really happy and I'm proud of myself. So now time to adjust the time and wind the watch first because this is a mechanical watch. It's not a self-winding watch. So I like winding it like 28 times. I like the number 8 because, as the Chinese say, it's lucky. Comparing the time with my tutor. Okay, a few more winds there. And we got the correct time. And we are all set. There you go. Let's wear the watch. And we're ready to go. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe and like the video. Thank you for helping me out. Bye, you guys.